You'll own nothing, and you'll be happy. Or at least that's what the marketing department at Microsoft thinks. For 40 years, the OS was a one-time purchase. You bought a disk, you lost the product key, and you lived your life. But in 2026, we've reached the end game. Microsoft is tired of your one-time payments. They want a monthly subscription to the very air your computer breathes.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia! Oh, hell no! Hell no!
Welcome to the era of Windows as a service, where your desktop is no longer your property. It's just a rental with a very aggressive landlord. Anyway, before we look at the future, we gotta look at the past. Back in the 90s, Microsoft made money by selling you a physical box. Then they moved to OEM licenses. But then, the world changed. Mobile OSes like iOS and Android became free, and Microsoft panicked. They gave away Windows 10 for free because you weren't the customer anymore. You were the product. Your data was the revenue. But now, data isn't enough. They need cash flow. Let's look at the actual receipts because the internet is currently losing its mind over a few lines of code. If you head over to the Windows Insider Canary channel, you'll find that Microsoft is already laying the plumbing for your future bill. Microsoft claims this build is just about rationalizing your search settings. But the eagle-eyed watchers at the German tech site Deskmodder tore apart the latest system files and found something they weren't supposed to. Hidden inside the slmgr.ini file, the core script that handles Windows activation, several new strings have appeared. Specifically, subscription edition, subscription type, and subscription status expired. Now, to be fair, Microsoft says this is just for enterprise users, but we've seen this playbook before. They start with a pro feature, then they slowly move it to the Home edition once the shareholders ask for more growth. They did it with ads in the Start menu, and they're doing it again with the kernel itself. Why the shift? It's the AI tax. Windows 12 is pivoting to an agentic OS. It's an LLM-first environment that wants to record every click and every screenshot. The problem is hardware. Running these models locally requires massive NPU power, at least 40 to 45 TOPS. If you're still rocking a 2023 laptop, you simply don't have the juice. Microsoft's solution? Rent you that power from the cloud. Instead of buying a new AI PC, you just pay a monthly fee to stream a powerful OS to your old pathetic hardware. It's basically Stadia, but for spreadsheets. The current business rates start around $30 a month. For you, they'll likely offer a home version for $10 to $15. It's the ultimate infinite money glitch. They charge you for the OS, charge you for the AI compute, and then sell your data to train the next version of the AI that will eventually replace your job. Technically, Windows is being gutted from the inside out. The new architecture is called state separation. In the old days, Windows was a giant mess of files. Now, the system partition is an immutable read-only image. This is a great security win, but it's also a control win. By isolating the OS, Microsoft makes it trivial to toggle features on and off based on your account status. You won't get a not genuine watermark anymore. You'll just get a notification asking you to pay up to access the terminal. When you combine this with the forced retirement of Windows 10 in late 2025, you see the trap closing. Millions of perfectly good PCs will be labeled e-waste because they lack a TPM chip or a high-end NPU. Your only choice? Buy a new PC or pay the monthly window tax to stream an OS to your unsupported device. It's a brilliant business move and a devastating one for digital ownership. We are moving toward a world where you don't own your computer, you just hold the remote. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.